Pisces. This is a good time for dealing with important matters, foreign policy, higher learnings, religious, philosophical matter, or anything that can stimulate expertise of interest. This is not a good period for your career, your ambition, future planning. Too many cross currents and conflicts at this time, or tough people and issues to deal with. This is an excellent time for group activities, participation, clubs, communities, following your instincts and perception. This is not a good period. There could be settlement, losses, threats of breakup, confusions, and even illness, either to yourself or someone close. And if that happens, give immediate attention. This is not a good period for personal affairs, so you may feel still a little down and out of sorts. So don't just go doing things for the sake of doing. Give it time, let that feeling recover and your confidence regain before you go into important events. This is a wonderful time for money, building your position, your possession, your strategy, your investments, and all forms of income policies. An excellent time for negotiation, discussion, meetings, interviews, regional travel, transportation, equipment, and for contracts. This is an excellent time for home, family, domestic matters, in-house policy, dealing with near ones, dear ones, neighbors, buying, selling, and renting of properties. This is an excellent time for affairs of the heart, romance, children activities, and interests, and mentoring them to the greatest level. It is also a time when parties, outing, friendship, and all good social events. You'll find that mentally you are rather stimulating and enterprising. This is not a good period, as it could lead to a lot of liability, responsibility, workers' problem, work issue that need to be tackled and ironed out. So whatever it is, go about it slowly, carefully, because there could be the loss of cool either on your part or others. This is an excellent time for partnership, team spirit, togetherness, and you'll find that companionship wonderful. Even other people admire you for the way you can coordinate and cooperate with them. An excellent time for changes, reshuffle, reorganization, tapping in private plans, policy, financial affairs, banking, relationship, accounting, system, and for new resources and revenues.